just picked up a 98 Dodge Ram for $1,000. What a deal, huh?
I think it's great.
Great deal.
Good deal.
So all we got to do to this thing, we got a couple of little peeling on the front end here, right? So all we're gonna do, a lot of people think, you know, oh, I could just feather this out and put new clear coat on it. You know, you're gonna be doing the same amount of prep work, same amount of time. You might as well lay a nice coat of paint on it, because once you start feathering and sanding, you're gonna get down to metal in some areas anyway. So the proper way to do it is to feather everything out. We're gonna get some base coat, new base coat, lay the green on it, and then clear the whole front of the truck. So we're gonna paint the fender, the hood. Come over here, we'll show you some dents we got. So it looks like it got hit in the front right here, right? So we're gonna pull this grill off, take the dent out, bondo it up, and get that all flat. What I might do with this grill, I'm thinking we'll clean it up and we'll paint it a flat black. So all of this looks black in the front and it'll look really nice. So that's
Just show them this big dent in here.
yeah, this whole big dent we're gonna pull out, we're gonna bondo it. It's gonna look like it was never hit before. Little high spot in here from the impact, but we're gonna pound it all down. It's gonna look all nice. And we have a little dent over here, right? This is gonna be really easy. Take me 20 minutes to take it out and put a coat of bondo on it. We're gonna grind it, weld some pins in, pop it out. Like I said, we're gonna paint the whole front here, and then the back. We got one more dent in the back here. We're gonna pull this dent out, do the body work, and then basically paint the green from here up, base it, and clear the side of the bed. And we're probably gonna do this little thing in the process while we're at it. And then this, we're just gonna get some touch-up green and touch it up, and then buff the back out. It'll look nice. All right, so stay tuned for the project, and I will keep you posted. Oh, this guy's gonna do all the sanding work, by the way. I'm gonna teach him how to sand it. He's 75 years old.
76.
He doesn't look it. This guy's as strong as an ox. I wish I'm in his condition at 76 years old, you know? So I'm gonna teach him.
Wear my glasses so I don't look so old.
I'm gonna teach him the body work, and he's gonna sand it all down, get it ready, and we're gonna paint it. All right? Cheers. Dodge Ram project.
When the old timer starts doing his thing.
Some dent.
In like this,
Yeah.
you want to weld it in the crease.
Okay.
We're gonna do like 4 or 5 of them.
Alright.
So you're gonna like that, and then you gotta push until this outer edge hits the metal.
Okay.
Okay? And then you're gonna squeeze the trigger for like a couple of seconds, like 2 seconds, and then you pull it out. Pretty easy, right?
First time. Not too bad for a 76-year-old.
Not too bad. Push it in, you close it, but you keep pressure on it, because if you don't, it's gonna fall out, right? Watch. Keep the pressure on it.
Yeah,
And whack it. You cut them off with dikes, and then you grind it off. Grind the pins off, so like that. A high spot right in here. Okay, so we got hit here, and then it pushed everything high. Right, so we're gonna tap this down right now quickly, and then we're gonna put pins all down in here, and we're gonna put pins in all these areas over here. Okay.
Pretty cool.
Okay, now we're gonna weld the pins in and start pulling everything out.